My name is Pavitra, doing MCA in Weltech University. This is my project. Novel secure multi-party algorithms or horizontally distributed database in fast distributed mining. This is my project title. Then abstract, this project proposes a protocol for secure mining of associations rules in horizontally distributed database. The current leading protocol is the Kernel Secure and Clifton. Our protocol, like theirs, is based on the fast distributed mining algorithm, and this most precious part of the protocol and its implementation relies upon primitives such as Cuckoo encryption, and this leakage of information renders the protocol not perfectly secure the premier of the excess information. This proposed system, our protocol, does not depend on community encryption and abusive transfer. This excess information or protocol may leak in less sensitive than the excess information leaked by the protocol. This is my demo. This is my demo. And first, user ID, username and password. If you don't have username and password, then you have to create then username and password. Then secure mining. This is the secure mining of association rules. Create an account, create names, new user, create two accounts, username Raja, then password, confirm your password, and client type creator, writer, reader, whatever may be, and email address. It's like a Gmail and Yahoo or Orkut or Hotmail for your wish, and phone number, 10-digit number. Next, address. After 23, whatever you can give. It should be your mail address, your own address, or your fake address is the designator. And submit. Submit successfully. And then this is a second account. Then second username Ram, then password. Then confirm your password. The password should be 16 letters below, and client type is he is the reader. I'm creating a Ram. He has like a reader. Then mail at email or Orkut, Gmail, Hotmail, anyone, and phone number and address. Next, address 45 KK Nagar, anything, and submit successfully. Next, go to home page. Then go the right admin and password, where you create that name, and sign in. And next, here the reader, writer, creator, reader, showing that mobile number, it all are showing. And user details here, upload user request, here showing that 3 ways. And you whatever you want, you can go. This is a user address, username, file name, purpose, data. Then next, user detail. First, next, creator, reader, who's a creator, who's a reader, who's a writer of this one. Client, which client, how they are using that one, is as like a reader or as like a writer, as like a it is showing here. Then next, user request. Then next, go to home page, user name, and is where we created SRAM and etc. This is the second client. Your account has been activated. Here you check that one, then you open and you log in that your account has been activated. Then go to admin where you are create that admin password. Don't change your password and sign in. And next, this is the Sun and also ROM reader, writer reader, and upload user details, user request is a browse, select the files and go to browse, and here you are sharing or storing someone document or Wikipedia and YouTube, whatever may be where you are storing, that one you have to open and you have to select that one, and that binary or binary text or tree, then click OK and view encryption. Here they are showing lots of links, and you have to write that numbers, and using these numbers you can where they are storing and you can search that one whether it's okay or not. This is successfully you are giving that inscription key, this you are giving that value for your wish. Next, log out. After that, the next go to ROM, then password, then sign in. So ROM is the second client. We didn't use the first client, and enter search word tree is tree. Then here showing where that tree is storing. It will show as a binary, whatever it may be, tree or binary, and go is a binary. So and binary, enter the search world. Thank you.